freestyling it. Hopefully I can do this right. Here's a new USB hub I have, and I think a replacement's already coming in the mail. That's the sound of my Ring doorbell. If you guys watched my last USB hub, this was it. It claimed it was 3.0, but it moves at a good 3.0, but it like locks up, overheats something. It can't run two webcams that are running 2.0. So hopefully this one replaces it. It's nice and compact. Came in a light box. It would have got blown away in the wind if I wasn't home when it got delivered. But it's claiming it's 3.0. The reviews clearly say that part of it's 2.0, but we'll see. Here's the bottom. It says it can run a keyboard, which shouldn't take too much. Let's open it up, test it out. So if you guys watched the review on that one is junk. I don't have my tripod today, so you guys gotta like sit on the floor. Nothing else in the box. So it takes more to keep you guys awake. I like how it's a lot. Oh, it's so tiny. Look how tiny it is. It's so tiny. It's got all blue USB 3.0 spots, even the one on the end. Takes up a lot less room. Looks like it's not gonna have a light, which will be nice because this one had a light. I kind of get annoyed with lights. It's a lot shorter. Takes up a lot less room. Look how much less room that takes up. I like a sleek look, and this is very sleek. Hopefully it can at least do what I need it to do. It has 4 slots. One up the bottom, which is pretty cool. It's not USB-C, which is the round one, which you never can get it wrong plugging it in. Yeah, there we go. Unboxing that.